Hello viewers, welcome to the brand new section of this course. What's new in C# 7.0? Now we will take a closer look at important topics to understand how to define modifiable and readable codes. The topics we cover: local functions or nested functions, literal improvements, pattern matching, the ref returns and locals, modifications to throw the expression, deconstruction syntax. Now let's move to the first video of this section, local functions or nested functions. In this video, we will add a number of local or nested functions within a function or method body, constructor, or properties getter and setter. In earlier versions of C#, we needed to define the method body separately, and then we needed to call one method from the other. Here is the old way to define a method called by another method. In this code example, although the getBlogs method is private, it is accessible to the other members of the same class and is being detected by IntelliSense. To overcome this, C# 7.0 introduced local functions or nested functions, by which you will be able to add a number of local or nested functions within a function or method body, constructor, or properties getter and setter. Let's see how to do it. Here you can see that the sum, subtract, multiply, and print methods are local to the calculate1 method, so no one other than the callee will have access to it. That means only the calculate1 method from this example will have access to those local methods, thus making your code more secure. So let's check the result of it. For that, select Start Without Debugging inside Debug tab. This is the result we should get. It's not mandatory to pass a parameter to the inline method. You can use the variables already in scope of the main method, which we will see here. Here's an example for your quick reference. So once you run this code, you will see this output in console window. You can also utilize the same capabilities as a normal function here. For example, you can easily use generics, ref and out parameters, dynamic, async, and await within a local function and achieve all the things that a normal function does. This is the code block returns an out parameter from a local function. Now it's time to check the results for this code. Let's go for it. Nice, we got the required output as expected. You can declare a local function with the same name as the member method. Here you can see that although a member method named print is there, it will call the local function instead of the member method. Here we have come to the end of this video.